Neck and shoulder pain is one of the most commonly searched discomforts in the wellness product space, and the Hewelth Ease Pro is appearing in that conversation with increasing frequency. It's marketed as a wearable massager combining mid-frequency pulse therapy, far-infrared heat, and vibration. The question being whether that combination delivers meaningful relief, or whether marketing is outrunning the technology. At first glance, the product has a considered appearance. It wraps around the neck and shoulders, is described as USB rechargeable with carbon fiber heating elements and fleece padding, and appears oriented toward everyday use. The far-infrared heat component is the most well-established mechanism. Infrared therapy is associated with improved circulation and muscle relaxation, and the Ease Pro offers multiple heat settings, reaching up to around 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The pulse therapy element reportedly uses mid-frequency pulses designed to penetrate several centimeters beneath the skin, reaching deeper muscle layers. This differs from standard surface vibration, and some reviewers describe the sensation as notably distinct from typical massage cushions. The vibration modes add a third layer, ranging from gentle to more stimulating patterns. Another thing worth noticing is the intended audience. Office workers with shoulder tension from desk posture and people dealing with everyday muscle fatigue. This appears oriented toward those use cases rather than clinical-grade treatment. Where questions arise is around performance claims. Marketing materials occasionally use clinical-sounding language that outpaces what independent evidence typically supports for consumer wellness devices. Some users report genuine improvements in shoulder stiffness after several weeks of consistent use. The hands-free format makes it practical during light activities. Overall, the Hewelth Ease Pro seems to sit between a useful daily comfort tool and more ambitious marketing. For mild tension and everyday fatigue, it appears to offer real value. For serious or chronic conditions, professional guidance remains the more appropriate path.